The finishing in orthodontics topic is it's not only one lecture, it's a group of lectures. So because of the time, of course, we'll only stress upon the 3D problems, or what we call it, the 3D order or 3-order bends. I preferably call them 3-order problems. So because when you have a problem, you can either do many things. One of them is bending the wire. So that's why we usually call them 3-order bends, but actually these are 3-order problems. I have many other lectures talking about, of course, the direct and indirect bonding, and a lot of stuff regarding the bracket prescription, the ABO guidelines, elastics. All of these have separate lectures, but today we're gonna stress upon the 3-order problems. And also this presentation is updated, so you will see some special videos and pictures done for you today for this presentation. So as we all know that the orthodontic phase of treatment consists of 3 phases: living alignment, space closure, and finishing. So I always tell my students, whenever you have spaces and your teeth are not aligned and they are not level, they're still, you have rotations and you have deep bites and open bites, you are still not allowed to go for the finishing stage. So this is important to know when to go and start the finishing stage. You have to finish all the 2 other phases in a proper way.